JB Singh, Director Techno 3 Uganda Limited, joint venture with PS Constructions. I would like to thank His Excellency for giving us such a wonderful project here in the Saruti district, Saruti city, sorry. And would also like to thank first of all of our colleagues, right from the Ministry of Local Government, the architects, the consultants, supervisors, and our staff who was on the ground day and night doing this wonderful job here. Okay, of course, we say that you are sure that when the name of construction comes, there are a lot of challenges all the way, right from the beginning to end. Every day is a challenge, every moment is a challenge, but we have to overcome them, we have to make them, to make our target what we want at the end of the day. So in between this all juncture of 2 years, what we have found was the most challenging was I think the COVID time which we have been in, all of us we know. So due to that I think some few months we delayed a bit, but they say nevertheless after all we are at this point. Okay. And I would like to say also the challenges, like when you are on the ground, many challenges come in, like in structures, in everywhere you have to see the ground strata, everything. Okay, anyhow, we faced some challenge in the beginning with the ground and all that, but we overcome it in a very good way with the help of our structure engineers, with the help of our consultants, and with the help of our engineers from the ministry.
It's not that tomorrow they are starting to trade. We have to go through this training the vendors. We have to go through the system of allocation or leasing out these facilities to the vendors and agreeing with them. We may have to come out with a written agreement that we are allocating you this on the following terms. One, it will be sanitation. We must keep our market clean. Two, is that you are not going to rent it out. Subletting, you must come back to the city authority. Otherwise, somebody will go through 4 or 5 people, get stalls, and then pay them. Three, I think it is the vendors will want to know what is the cost, what is the fee they have to pay. So it's good to have this in a form of agreement, and we shall do that. So I just want to caution a little bit that, yes, we are commissioning the market today, but please don't come on Monday tomorrow and say, we are here, we want to start using the market. We have to train you, we have to assign you your stalls, we have to add in these other facilities I've been talking about to make sure that by the time you come, we have reoriented ourselves in how to manage and live in this kind of environment. You will see that we have fire rails, we have a big tank to make sure that we are able to manage any fire that comes up. At every single point, we have fire service adequate here. But also, secondly, we're not going to accept sigiri, with the charcoal. That can cause you a problem. So we shall use energy saving, but safe methods of cooking. We've not taken a lot of trouble to make sure that the electricity connections are done properly. We may have to improve that tomorrow.